Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and in this video I will have another huge haul. This time is gonna be from Sephora. For sure, looking at those boxes I will have part 1 and 2, and let's go and see what I will have in this video. And the first product in here in my haul. Also, I got some samples from them. I will leave those boxes away. At least I'm trying to. They sent me as with points. One of these was with my points, and is the Amore Pacific Essential Cream Fluid. Is this one Origins mask with rose clay, and from Fresh Black Tea facial treatment essence is this one. And let's see what's the size of this one. This one was I don't think was with points, I think was a free gift. So here is the size of this one, which is not bad. So first I have this box, and this one is another Sephora favorites another Sephora favorites box. This is the Inner Beauty supplements for skin, hair and body, and looks like this because I have and in this one are just food supplements, not any makeup or skincare products, because I have another Sephora kit, favorites kits. I will leave this away and I will unbox this in a different video. Then I have a couple boxes which I didn't have the chance to open yet. And I have two perfume samples in here. Actually, one is Giorgio Armani. I have three. Giorgio Armani, the liquid blender cleanser, which I love, and Dior J'adore as samples. And in this one I have another bunch of samples that came as free gift, or samples that they usually send. And I have Pore Professional primer. I had the Beauty solid cleanser, which, as I said, I love. I prefer the solid one than instead of the liquid. And here we have a Urban Decay High Shine. This one is a lip gloss, and this one is the SPL in the Ulta Fibre free bag. If I post that, you saw another shade of this. Also free gift, I have the Makeup Forever color pencil, which is this one, and Makeup Forever color pencil in another shade. I'm not sure if this but I think this was a gift with 5 products, so I just show you them. Then I have a another Lancome Lift and Feel in Firm Energy Lift is the purple one, and this one comes with 3 products. We have the day cream, we have the eye cream, and the night cream. And let me show you the sizes of this. It says here the value of this is 151. I don't see any information regarding the sizes. I believe all the sizes are deluxe sample, but usually in those kits we have a full size item, and I think this one, the day cream, is the full size. This one right here. And the day cream came in a full size in the other kit from Ulta that I had in the Ulta haul. So here is the first product from here, the day cream. I put that upside down. Then the second one in here, and actually we're supposed to have two. Yeah, we have two of them. It's the night cream from this line and the eye cream also. So as you probably know, I love Lancome. You saw Lancome very often lately in my hauls, and probably not very soon, but for sure you'll see them again. So it was the Lancome kit. Then I have in this one, let's see if this one is Sephora. I don't know, this one is Clarins, so I'll put this one away and I'll open this in another video. From Sephora I have this box also. And as I said in my Ulta haul, those are not items that I got in a single order. I got them in a period of over 2 months, probably in almost 3 months. And of course I have nothing to open this close to me. Anyway, finally I opened this box, and in this one, because I need the box to put them back, I have another one of that 5 items gift, couple samples. And in this one I have this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Clinic at Home micro exfoliation in full size, deep cleanse in a deluxe sample, and hydrating treatment is this kit. And as I said, this one is $88, and just the exfoliating pads in a full size are, if you wanna buy them, are $88. The kit is $88, which means the cleanser and the cream are free. And I'm looking at my battery, of course, trying to open this guy here. Some of the boxes are not easy to open. Anyway, here is the full size product. Okay, finally. Here is the full size product, and those are the Alpha Beta Extra Strain Daily Peel, which I really love. My favorite brand from Dr. Dennis Gross, and those are the full size. And in this one we get, in the full size, we get 30 treatments. I saw also this one other websites in 60 pads, not 30, which are of course double as price. Here is the cleanser, the gel cleanser. And somewhere in here is the cream. I have to open it on the other side to get the cream. It's a tiny sample. So here is the cream. I tried the serum and other products, but I never tried this cream, which I believe works amazing, as all the products that I use from Dr. Dennis Gross. So this is this kit with the cleanser, those exfoliating pads, and the cream, which I can't wait to use, because everything I used from Dr. Dennis Gross was amazing, worked amazing for my skin. Then in this one I have another Hi-Fi Shine in the same SPL color. This one was a free gift with 5 items. Came in a free gift with 5 items. The 8 Cosmetics cleansing serum. This one we have Sandy Riley, the serum. Also Estee Lauder in here with a primer. Also in this one, let me just put them away. I have the feeling that everything is gonna fall out. Then I have Dior Fresh Hydration Sorbet Cream. Another sample. The Makeup Forever. This one is colored pencil, and this one it's multi-purpose. I didn't know it's for lips or eyes, but it's a multi-purpose crayon. We have again the solid cleanser, Pore Professional, and those packs from Laneige. Those are 2 kits from Laneige. One is hydrating and the other one is pore refining. And each of them, the hydrating one comes with 5 items. And we have in here the foam cleanser, the toner, essence, moisture cream, and the sleeping mask. In this one I use Laneige while I was in my trip, and I love it from the hydration part. And here is the pore one, which I think is new. And in this one we get also a cleanser, mini pore mask, a toner, and hydrating, the water bank hydrating gel, and the blur perfector. So 5 items in this one. Another great kit from Laneige. As I said, I love the brand. And then what else? I had in this box the Sephora Play, that limited edition box, but because I'm waiting for the Sephora Deluxe box, I will do an unboxing for the 2 of them. Then I have in here, and I'm gonna leave the last couple boxes for my next video. Actually, this one is the Clarins ones. I will open one more box in this video, and then we will have part 2. And this one, of course, comes with some samples from Lancome and 8 Cosmetics. And the second Sephora Favorites kit that I want to show you is the Sephora Favorites Clean Beauty, which looks like this, and I will open this in my next video with the other kit. Also more Lancome in here. Is this set La Petite Fleurs Beauty Kit, which comes with the Juicy Shaker is the lip product, comes with the mascara is the Hypnose one, and the Be Facial Eye Makeup Remover in a deluxe sample. So another Lancome product in here. Also those samples that came in that 5 free pieces. So this is all for part 1. I will be right back with the last 2 boxes. Not too many products in those 2, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. Also, I will see you with those two Sephora kits, and I will have them in a different video. And I will see you as soon I get the Sephora deluxe play box. I will do an unboxing for those two. So for now, this is all for this part. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what do you think about those Sephora kits, and about shopping at Sephora in general. So again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you right away for me after this video with part 2 from the Sephora haul, and then with those Sephora favorites. So again, wish you a great day. Thank you so much for being here, and a big thank you from me to you, to all of you, for all your comments, and for all the support that I get from you. You have a very nice day. Bye bye.